Hello guys, so it was great day today. Market moved as per our expectation, as per the pre-market analysis audio, and I shared one structure. Okay, before this downtrend movement. Okay, I shared the update in our Telegram channel as well. So let's analyze the chart from the morning till the end. Okay, and I am going to share you only few points regarding this today's market movement. So stay till the end. So in the morning, I said to you in a pre-market analysis audio that market is going to open flat. It is going to open somewhere around minus 0.1 to plus 0.15%. So bank Nifty open at somewhat minus 0.04 or so. And after that, I mentioned you two different levels. Very first this DR3 and then final this PDH level. So market closed above this DR3 but not able to cross and close above this PDH mark. Okay, today it was very much important. That's why I clearly mentioned that separately. Okay, the DR3 and the PDH both. Okay, so you can clearly see that market got rejection from that level and it is just moving on the downside. And when it is moving on the downside, as this trades inside this value area, we have to be very much careful to trade inside that. Okay, so when market is falling over there, just wait. Why to wait? Because we want to market to complete the initial balance formation. That's it. Because this initial balance is going to give you the holistic view and broader context of the market for each and every day. Means for today, this is the initial balance. For yesterday, it can be different. For tomorrow, it can be different, like that. Okay, so here initial balance is completed, and by measurement we can get to know that this initial balance is a narrow initial balance range, and for the narrow there are the two probabilities, double distribution and the sideways. So here market is breaking this initial balance candle, closing below this initial balance low. Very first, when market broke this level, it just took support from this trend line. Okay, I shared this screenshot in the Telegram channel as well. Guys, whether you are using the indicator or not, okay, by naked chart as well, you can analyze the market very gratefully. So here market just breaking that but taking the support from this trend line, again moved on the higher side. Now this is nothing but the base creation, somewhat bounce back on the higher side to form the base. So here market closing below this initial balance low in this candle at 1150. So below this candle low, you can go for the trade, stop loss above the base candle. So above this candle high, you can have the stop loss and target as per the double distribution trend day. Now what about the target, guys? There is one workshop today and tomorrow, okay, for this initial balance and the 6 types of market days. Kindly enroll for this if you haven't joined this workshop till now. Okay, link will be in the description. Kindly click on this and register for the same. It's just 249, but guys, in return you are going to get the most valuable, most professional method for the intraday trades. Look, all the details are here. Okay, these are the 6 steps of day trading setups. Yes guys, these are some of the examples which I placed over here. So kindly join this. Okay, link will be in the description. So talking about today, it was the double distribution trend day. Double distribution trend day, market broke over here and target received over there as well. So this is the great movement over there. Otherwise there is nothing. Now if I am going to enable the indicators, means whatever we are following the CPR, market profile, Cambrilas, okay, all such confluences based on the pivot points. So here you can clearly see that why you can have the conviction trade over here, confident trade entry over here. Why? Because it is getting the rejection from this DS3, it is breaking that, it is breaking this initial balance low, it is breaking this trend line as well. That's why you can go for the trade over there, target to this level. Again, as per this double distribution trend day, we have to target to the lower level. So here market is moving on the downside with very much confidence. Here DS4 is done. At around this DS4 we are having the DPZ. DPZ is there, then PDL level is also there. So this level is quite very much important, and that's why market distributed for a while over there, and after that it continued on the downside and giving us the target of this horizontal trend line. Along with that, we are having this magical DS5, and DS5 is the most important for us. Along with that, our double distribution trend day target as well. So this is the higher confluence area as a target. Why market bounce back from this low? Is there anything from the back? There is nothing so far. If you are going to analyze over here, then this is the fall and this is the rise, so there is nothing. But here the main reason it is of the double distribution trend day target. What? Double distribution trend day target, along with that this DS5, and lastly this horizontal trend line. So this is the higher confluence range, that's why market took some support and moved on the higher side again. Now again this may act as a what? Supplies on some reversal area. Market already made two different highs over here, 1 and 2. So here you can consider this as a double top for this upside movement, and after that market gave the reversal as well. But the overall structure, it is of what? This look like some triangle here based on this to this. Okay, this is the target, something 230 point from this breakout point. So from this to 330 point, if you measure out, then it is showing us the target of 41,840 range. But as I said in last post market analysis video, that on the daily time frame chart, just 1 minute, on the daily time frame chart we can clearly see that market wants some correction now. Yes, it can be price or it can be the time, it can be anything, but market just want the correction, that's it. Price correction means market may going to fall on the downside, and time correction means market is going to move sideways over here within a one horizontal range. Okay, it is going to just make some time pass over here, moving on the higher side, moving on the downside, one day up, one day down, one day up, one day down, one day flat. It can be anything, but it is going to trade within a one particular range without any confidence. Okay, so guys, this is it for today. What for the next week? Next week there is nothing so far. The broader context I already discussed with you, that market just want one correction, that's it. And on the intraday day, on the basis of intraday, today we had the double distribution trend day, that's it. So guys, this is it for today. Kindly very first, kindly kindly join this workshop, because this is going to be very much helpful. एंड गाइज ये जो है ये इंग्लिश में ही नहीं है, हिंदी में भी है. आज इंग्लिश में है एंड टुमारो, कल हिंदी में है. ओके, एंड देयर आर several bonuses as well, means advanced risk and money management and trading psychology beyond part. Okay, here I am not going to teach you those shitty methods, means how you can select the stocks. I am not going to discuss that. There is something more than the selection. Okay, so kindly enroll for this, and there will be some examination as well. So it's very beneficial for you. So kindly join the workshop now. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below this video as well, जो आप कभी करते नहीं हो.